go? Shopping si Mona. Mag-grocery. Buy. Buy toys.
ماما
زرع عنا بسرعة عشان السينما معك.
Yellow one. What you want buy? Oh, yan. Nainis na. Gusto nang lumabas. See? You go shopping, huh? You go shopping. What you want buy? Huh? You want fish? Hmm? Fish? What you want buy? Candy? Come here. Gusto niya ng candy. See? Lahat candy yung nasa kamay niya. This one. You want this? Hmm? You know what you want? What you buy?
I find this good stuff for drawing and play.
And what else?
And some
Hmm?
this one.
What is that?
Don't the buttermilk?
Yes.
Oh, that's ice cream.
Come. What you want buy? Come here.
Sorry, there's another car. Someone just left the car going home.
Yes. Go. Go there.
What's this people? Is there a car?
This chicken. Your favorite chicken?
Yeah.
Yes. Take.
Oh!
Take
First
the
and
one.
second!
Enough. Yellow, what you want? Show me your face.
I did this. I'm
You-
so cold. I can't say.
That's
Just help
big.
me.
That's
Where's
big.
the small? Where's the small one?
Yellow, push. Push the card.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Stop. I can't. It's too stuck.
Stop.
Yeah. There. Oh, there's pumpkin.
Yan. Nagmahal na rin ng mga bilihin. Sumabay sa kaguluhan ng mundo. Daming sale. Alhamdulillah. Hindi na rin tayo makabili ng mga diapers kasi hindi na nagda-diaper yung mga anak ko. Grocery muna. Pag dito sa Ramis, ang dami nilang mga offer. Madalas ito sila nagsiselba. Ayan. Puro sabon. Dito naman puro clinics. Dami nilang selba. Kaya dito ako palagi namimili. Yan, pati Clorox. Meron pa naman akong Clorox dun sa bahay. Dito naman yung mga gamit sa bahay.